Hello everyone, let's learn how to get verified on Instagram. If you want your brand to show the highest level of credibility on social media, then you'll need to know how to get verified on Instagram. Earn that little blue check, and everyone will know your account is the real deal, and fake accounts will have a tough time impersonating you. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open Instagram app on your device, and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, go on your profile by tapping on little icon in bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the side menu, and you can see on the bottom of the menu new option called Meta Verified, and you need to click on it. Next, you come on Verified menu, and on this menu is rules and information you need to do to get Meta Verified, and when you agree with this rules, click on Next button in the bottom of the screen. Then you need to select your profile by tapping on Sign Up. To get Meta Verified on Instagram, you need to pay every month. The price now is around $10. Next, go to select the payment method by tapping on Pay to get benefits, and go to select the method you want to pay. You can pay with credit cards, PayPal and more, and when you finish, send request to Instagram and wait 48 hours, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.